I got y'all right here on the daily chart, and ETH doing the exact same thing Bitcoin is doing. You know, check my Bitcoin video out if you want to see the graphics, but you know, I just keep it simple here so you can see the major support and resistance levels. So basically, I still had a resistance. The warning level sitting right here around $2,500. So once it get there, any point in time that can happen. I mean, it's flying. Like once it dropped below this number 2,500, it's coming down straight here to 20. Excuse me, not 20, to around $1,900, and then we'll get a bounce up, get rejected by the 200 EMA, which will be around 2150, and then we coming all the way down, continuing our descent down to, like I mentioned, $1,100. Slide over. Like I say, same thing like Bitcoin. Hit y'all on the weekly though. Boom. Like I say, same thing like Bitcoin. When it first made its major run, boom, right here. Basically, the previous resistance gonna be the support. And then as you can see here, large head and shoulder forming right now again. I mean, it's just the exact same thing Bitcoin is showing. It's on a smaller time period, but you know, it's the same thing. It just looks more clear. The longer the actual chart they have, the longer it's been out, it's easy to actually see any of these patterns that you could just look at. I could look at anything and just see a pattern and hop in, you know, if I could. But I mean, like I say, I mean, look around the world. I mean, it might not be the best time, but you know, y'all do what y'all do. I'm just telling y'all what I see on these charts. So on the 4-hourly, it's the exact same thing. Like Bitcoin, we got the test up here. Now we already coming down here, testing the 50 EMA. 1, 2, 3. Now we about to test this 20 EMA. So we should get a nice little spike up, about 28, say 28.40, and then we'll get a rejection. Depending on what Bitcoin doing, like I said, we could basically stay in this general range, test 20 EMA 3 times and get fully rejected, and then that's when we coming down here, like I say, to around 25. Now once you get down there, like I say, I mean, it's free game. I mean, even up here, I mean, it could literally not stop. But that's up to y'all to find out, you feel me? So I mean, it's all up. All I'm saying is, we don't get a little spike up. Don't get lost in the sauce now when this happens, because it will happen. And then we'll get a fall down. Like I say, we could stay in the zone, or they can just trash it after one test of the 20 EMA. Catch everybody off guard. Well, the average person, I'll say. But, you know, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.